Margot, what do you think of that? What a performance. The first Snapchat of the day, the first Snapchat of the day. Mark, what did you think of that?
Ella, you truly, truly, truly are special. You are like a polished diamond. In terms of, you know who you are, what you want to do, where your strengths are. If you don't have a career in the West End or Broadway, within the next sort of 20 years, there is something seriously, seriously wrong. With you, it's not just about the voice, it's 1,000,000% commitment. You know, you've come, you look the part. If anyone else could fill Julie Andrews' shoes, it is you, without a shadow.
Oh, what a comment
there. It was breathtaking to watch. I haven't wrote anything down, so I might like just make a fool of myself, because unless I've got a script, I just waffle. But, you know, last week you sang Somewhere Over the Rainbow and it sounded completely different to what you've done this week. So it's like you really do get into character, and that reflects on your voice and just everything about you, the way that you've dressed for the part, and you really put on everything. You know, it was. I got to echo what Mark said. If you're not on a stage somewhere with your name in lights, there's something seriously wrong with the world, because you are a star in the making. You really, really are. And I'm just glad we're here to witness the beginning of your journey, because you're fantastic. You really are.
Thank you, Kelly. Louis.
Ella, I'm really overwhelmed with that. You look absolutely amazing. That was such a surprise. I didn't expect you to come in with an umbrella. Is it a bad luck to use umbrella inside? It's not. It don't matter, because that was amazing.
Who cares?
Yeah, Ella, I want to make a comment in regards to VOTV, the whole thing that we've been doing so far. And obviously, like, this is our 9th season, all right? And over the seasons, we've had so many different types of musical theatre singers and stuff like that. And there has been comments made, you know, towards VOTV saying that it doesn't really appreciate musical theatre singers. Wait there, I need to say this out straight. When a fantastic, superb quality musical theatre singer comes in front of me, I will stand for them and give them an applause. That was spectacular. I've seen so many singers doing musical theatre. You were one of the youngest I've ever seen come to VOTV do musical theatre, but you're one of the best. Absolutely amazing. Fantastic. Well done, Ella.